Daxie! You're on video. Say hi. I can't see. Look. It's Tiff doing her hair. And 3 chestnuts in the pasture. Only you can't see them. Oh, so does Chuck. Chuck lets me do everything on him. Except for ride double. Chuck says you're too heavy. You guys need to get off me. I can only bear so much weight. I'm lazy.
Does that mean, are you saying that my horse is stronger than yours?
No, I'm saying my horse is lazier than yours.
Yeah.
Say something.
Oh,
Look,
no.
it's Butterfly.
Yay, Butterfly.
It's Julie. And it's Ebony riding up on Daxie's foot. Good thing Daxie doesn't kick.
I'm trying to put my hair up.
Look, more Zaccharosa horses. It's Jenny Craig. Oh no, the battery's dying.